Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create an account. Now before we continue, let me quickly put this on Do Not Disturb. Alright, we're back. Now let's press start. Once you've downloaded this, next thing we ask is to enter your phone number. So once you've entered the phone number, click on continue. Now, in order to connect with others and verify your phone number automatically, Viber will ask you for permission to view your contacts and call logs. Upon continue, you can give it access. Give it access. Now it's verifying your phone number. Now they'll call your number, or you'll be a 6-digit code will be detected automatically. So either they give you this code through messages or via call. So let's see which one's gonna be. Because even if I put on Do Not Disturb, they can't call me. So let me turn off Do Not Disturb so they can call me. If they choose to communicate through that. So it has automatically send the 6-digit code. So let me put it back on Do Not Disturb so it won't affect the recording. Alright, so the next thing you're going to be asked to do is fill out the profile information form. So you'll be asked to enter your details: name, date of birth, email address, and you can choose to allow Viber to send you updates. So you put in the name, and then you put in your date of birth. So let's say 94, 1st of January. So we've gotten that. Then we'll put in our email address. No, that's so after putting your email address, then you click on there. You can also add a photo by clicking the top there. So you have to give permission for Viber to take pictures and record video. Okay. You can also give permission for location. I don't want permission for location. For map, yes. Okay, allow. You can introduce caller ID. Wow, that's good. So turn it on. You want it to give it permission, yes, for display. So turn it on. And then that's it. Caller ID is now on and we are in. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.